Okay, this is Keshar. Glad to be back. And I'm going to show you a few breakfasts. And please do not criticize me about mixing American cuisine with Persian cuisine because this is what I'm going to do from now on. We live in this country. We know where we have come from. And so from now on, most of the cuisines or recipes that I show you will be mixed with other cuisines or other recipes. And I need you to learn to do that. The breakfast that I'm going to show you today is a finished product of an omelette. Our omelette is bell pepper, tomato, mushroom, eggs. Of course, I've added some bacon here. And as you see, I've got the tomato, I've got the onion, I've got 2 poached eggs, bell pepper, potatoes, mushroom. This is how I would do a breakfast, one style of omelette. I will show you other styles of omelette too. But this is being creative, painting the plate, showing who you are. And when you sit at the table, you're not sitting at the table just to fill up your stomach. You're looking at something that is worth looking at. That brings your appetite back. That gives you an appetite. You think of the way you were able to put things together and make it a beautiful painting. This is how you should look at life and who you are in this vast world and what you can do with what you have. I had tomatoes, onion, potatoes, mushroom, and eggs. So go and see what you can do with those ingredients and see what you can come up with. Bon appetit. Thank you.